Okay, hi guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick hairstyle tutorial. It is by Dappa Hair Shapers, and these are really cool. So here's the story. So we were at my brother's graduation for Howard, woo woo, and this really nice lady, she came up to us because she recognized me from Instagram, and she was so sweet that she sent us some of these, and I was like, oh my gosh, like wow. And then I literally was in love with them, and then so like I was like, Mom, we have to do this hairstyle. Like, look at this, look. About this, it is actually really like squishy and all that stuff. It has a hole in the middle just because, I don't know why. Yeah, let's get on with the video.